Hey, did you know that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income? And yet most people rely on just one, their job. I'm Jason Roberts, and just a few years ago, I was living out of my car. No money, no connections, no real estate experience. Today, I flip multiple properties a year, run a thriving real estate business that has doubled its income every year, and now I'm developing $30 million subdivision projects. How did I get from homeless to building a real estate empire? Well, that's what I want to share with you today. But first, let me make you a promise. I'm not here to sell you some get-rich-quick scheme or secret ninja tactics. What I'm about to share is the practical step-by-step system that's not only changed my life, but helped dozens of our students flip their first homes and earn 6-figure profits with little or no experience prior. Like Sarah and Ryan, who followed our guidance and made $125,000 on their very first flip just 4 months into our program. They're now on their second project while enjoying a 3-week beach vacation from their first project. So if you've ever thought about flipping houses, but you're worried you don't have enough money, experience, or connections to get started, this training is specifically for you. Let me ask you something. Does any of this sound familiar? You work hard at your job, but feel stuck in a financial hamster wheel, trading hours for dollars with little to show for it at the end of each month. Maybe you've watched those house flipping shows on TV and thought, I could do that, but you have no idea where to start and are worried that you might make an expensive mistake. Perhaps you're concerned about retirement and wondering if your current financial path will ever get you where you want to be. If so, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. The truth is, most people have been sold a big lie about financial security. They tell you to get a good job, save a little each month, and eventually, maybe, you'll have enough to retire. But here's the problem. Relying on a single W-2 job is actually one of the riskiest financial strategies possible. Think about it. Your company could go under, you could be replaced, the industry could change, and suddenly your entire income source is gone. I realized this harsh reality after years of building up my skill set. I finally figured out what I was good at and was able to save up a little bit of money at the end of each month. But I realized that that could go away at any moment and that I needed a way out. Guys, back in 2017, I was literally homeless. I'd lost everything, was sleeping in my car in a church parking lot, and was eating Nutri-Grain bars I bought in bulk from Sam's Club. I remember getting a Planet Fitness membership for $10 a month just so I could shower each morning. I didn't know where I was going with my career, but I knew I still had big plans for my life. And I was committed to the process of getting better, no matter how long that took. So I committed to building a sales skill out for a number of years, leveraged my engineering background from college, and got a director of engineering position with an engineering firm here in town. We made good money, started saving, had good financial principles, really started putting away money each month, but knew that at any time I could get fired, the business could go under, and we really were not going to put a dent in retirement, certainly not earlier than 75. I was committed to relying on nobody and nothing other than my own skill set. So I did what all engineers do. I researched everything from an investment perspective, from crypto to gold to mutual funds. And we landed on real estate because it is a massive opportunity to build wealth, and the government helps you fund it through taxes and leverage. What I did next was either brilliant or desperate, probably both. But I found a distressed property, convinced a hard money lender to take a chance on me, and jumped in with both feet. That first flip changed everything. It wasn't easy. I made mistakes, I faced setbacks, and had moments of pure panic. But when I sold that house and held that profit check in my hands, I knew I'd found a way out. Today, I run Better Blueprint Realty, where I've helped dozens of people follow the same path to financial freedom through real estate. So what makes my approach different? Well, after years of flipping homes and teaching others, we've developed what we call the conservative profit framework. Unlike most real estate gurus who tell you to chase small 20 to 40K profits, which can easily disappear with one mistake, we focus exclusively on deals with 6-figure profit potential. Guys, this is absolutely critical. When you target smaller profits, you're actually taking more risk, not less. One contractor issue, one unexpected repair, one market hiccup, and your profit is gone. Our approach is built on 4 key pillars that we call the 4F method. Number 1, find. Find the right properties, and we'll show you exactly where to look. Number 2, fund. Fund your flips even without a lot of personal cash. 3, fix these properties strategically to maximize returns while minimizing risk. And number 4, flip for maximum profit using our proven selling system. Let me give you a quick example of just one piece of our system. Most new investors struggle with finding good off-market deals. They think you need some special connections or inside track. But one of our students, Mark, used our simple Facebook 5 technique to find his first flip. Without any fancy marketing or connections, he approached owners of distressed properties through 5 investor groups on Facebook. Using the exact script we provided, he found a motivated seller within his first 30 days. 3 months later, he walked away with a $94,000 profit. This is just one small example of the practical, actionable strategies we'll share in our upcoming free training. In this free online training, Flip Your First House, you'll discover the exact step-by-step blueprint we use to find, fund, fix, and flip properties for 6-figure profits. You'll learn how to analyze deals like a pro, even as a beginner, to ensure that you're buying at the right price. We'll also reveal the 3 funding sources most new investors overlook that require minimal personal cash, and you'll discover the number 1 reason why flips fail and how our conservative budget formula helps prevent that. Plus, we'll show you the biggest mistakes new flippers make and how to avoid them, including the right way to find, vet, and manage your contractors without getting ripped off. You might be wondering, does this really work for regular people? Well, let me tell you about Sarah and Ryan. Just 5 months ago, they joined our program with 0 real estate experience. They were skeptical at first, but they followed our system step by step. And after just 4 weeks of our training, they felt confident enough to start searching for properties. We helped them find an off-market opportunity, guided them through the analysis, and helped support them in creating realistic construction budgets. 3 months later, with the renovation complete, we brought in our staging team and helped them list the property. They received multiple offers and went under contract $50,000 over asking price. In the end, they walked away with $125,000 profit on their first flip. Now they're enjoying a well-deserved 3-week beach vacation while already starting on their second project. And they're not alone. We have dozens of students who have achieved similar results by following our conservative profit framework. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but Jason, doesn't flipping houses require a lot of money to get started? Not the way we teach it. We'll show you multiple funding strategies that require minimal personal cash, including hard money loans, private money lending, and partnership structures. Well, what if the market changes while I'm doing a flip? Well, that's exactly why we focus on 6-figure profit margins and conservative analysis. Our system builds in significant buffers to protect you from market fluctuations. I don't know anything about construction or renovations. How could I possibly manage a flip? Listen, you don't need to be a construction expert, but what you do need is a system for finding, vetting, and managing the right contractors, which is exactly what we provide. I've seen other real estate programs that are all hype and no substance. Listen, that's precisely why we focus on practical, actionable strategies rather than get-rich-quick promises. Our approach is around building real skills and following proven systems, not magical thinking. We limit attendance to this training to ensure we can provide quality support to everyone who joins. So if you're ready to learn the exact system we use to flip houses for 6-figure profits, even if you're starting from scratch, here's what to do next. Click the button below to secure your spot in our free Flip Your First House session. Just to recap what you're getting, you get free access to our Flip Your First House training live with me. You'll also get access to our net worth tracker and our loan qualification document to see if you can get pre-approved for hard money. Inside, you'll see our step-by-step 4F method for flipping homes profitably. Plus, we reveal the conservative profit framework that targets 6-figure returns. There's also a live Q&A session where we'll answer any of your specific questions. Remember guys, I got started with nothing, living in my car with 0 experience. If I can build a 7-figure real estate business from that starting point, imagine what you can do with the right guidance and support. Please don't stay stuck in that W-2 trap, watching your financial future depend on someone else's decisions. Take control of your financial destiny. Join us for this free training and discover how flipping houses can be your path to true financial freedom. Click the button below to register now. We look forward to seeing you there.